Tucked into the rolling green hills of County Limerick lies a place older than the Pyramids of Giza, more mysterious than Stonehenge. This is Grange Stone Circle, Ireland's largest and most perfectly preserved stone circle, standing silently at the edge of Lough Gur. This ancient ceremonial site was built over 4,000 years ago, during the late Neolithic to early Bronze Age, by early farming communities. Measuring 150 feet across, the Grange Circle consists of 113 imposing stones, arranged in a near-perfect circle. At its entrance, two tall portal stones guard the threshold, like sentinels marking a sacred boundary between the human and the divine. To step into this circle is to walk into the footsteps of our distant ancestors, people who gazed at the same skies, marked the same solstices, and gathered here for rituals that remain lost to time. At the heart of the circle lies the largest stone, weighing over 40 tons. It may have served as an altar or a focal point for ceremonies. Many archaeologists believe Grange was a site of solar alignment, especially during the summer solstice, when the rising sun shines directly through the circle's entrance, casting long shadows and flooding the interior with golden light. Imagine the fires flickering, the chanting rising in the air, the community gathered as the sun renewed its cycle. Grange Stone Circle wasn't just a calendar, it was a stage for spiritual celebration, social unity, and perhaps even burial rites. Nearby lies Lough Gur, a horseshoe-shaped lake steeped in legend, myth, and folklore. The Grange Circle is part of a greater ceremonial landscape that includes other stone circles, wedge tombs, and burial mounds, suggesting this area was a major centre of prehistoric life in Ireland. Local tradition holds that the circle was built by the legendary Gubán Saor, the mythical Irish stonemason of ancient lore, further cementing its place in Irish storytelling. Today, Grange Stone Circle stands as a silent witness to millennia. Its stones hold no inscriptions, but they speak volumes about Ireland's deep connection to land, sky, time, and spirit. Come to Lough Gur. Stand within the Grange Circle, and let the echoes of the past whisper to you across the ages.